Hey everybody, Justin Lyman, Service Manager at Lexus RiverCenter, adding another video to our collection. Today we're going to be talking about oil changes, specifically what you're getting when you come here, what you're getting when you go elsewhere, and we're going there to compare us versus them. Working at a Lexus dealer, I hear it all the time. Dealerships are more expensive, and I have the hardest time talking to people and convincing them we're not. It's my job to make sure that we're competitive. It's my job to make sure that you, the customer, know what you're getting. Hence this video. So, for example, I do price check our oil changes. An oil change with zero weight oil on this vehicle is $69 plus tax. Yes, there are people cheaper than us. Yes, there's people that are more expensive than us. We're right there in the middle. But what you get is more important than how much you're paying. For example, today on this vehicle, this is a Lexus filter here. Strong, sturdy, no issues. What we see a lot when cars come from other places, they'll have an aftermarket filter, meaning it is not a Lexus part on their car, which is fine. It's usually cheaper, but you get what you pay for. Here's a prime example. This filter here, you can see it's kind of twisted. Well, it's actually collapsing on itself, so oil pickup won't be as great. This could be an issue. Possible oil starvation. I'm not saying that happened, but it's very possible. You can see it started to crush on itself. See how it's twisted, where the Lexus one obviously does not. Another example. Here's another filter. Same car. Design is completely different. The reason the aftermarket companies do that is to make sure that this filter will fit multiple vehicles. So while this is designed for your vehicle, this is designed possibly to fit another make or model. I'm not going to say names, I don't know, but it makes sense on their part because they're making one part that fits multiple cars. But will it be an exact fit for your Lexus? The answer is no. It works, but it's not an exact fit. This is what you get. This is what you pay for when you go to other places. Again, there are people cheaper than us, but there's also people more expensive than us. I am right there in the middle. I make sure of it. I make those calls monthly to make sure we are competitive. So come see us, come schedule your oil change, 859-547-5300. Thank you.